Let's crochet. I'm starting the granny squares. Let's crochet with the birds. Put my feet up. Got my yarn. It's winter here in Australia, but it's a really beautiful day. Sky is so blue. There's a bit of cloud. I uploaded the video the other day, and I'm very new at this, and I had some music on the radio, and I thought, oh, that's good music, I'll do it with it. And then YouTube banned me. Not banned me, just said that the music, they can't, because of the music, they couldn't play it or something, copyright for the music. So I thought, wow, so we have to be careful that we don't, have certain music going. I thought that was a learning curve. I've only started this YouTube a couple of days ago, maybe 3 days ago. So now I've got the birds' music. And also I heard that, I was wondering why people are, doing recording in their car a lot of the times. And then somebody said, oh, because it's got a really good sound in there. So I don't have a microphone or anything. So I thought, oh, okay, maybe I'll get in the car and do one too. Give it a go, see how that goes. I mean, yeah, I'm just having fun with all this thing. Basically, I just love crocheting, and my idea was that I love sitting down crocheting with some other crocheter people, because I just really, it's nice to crochet with somebody. And I mean, I love my own company and everything, but it's just still really nice to share your interest and passion and creation. Yeah. I think I've got the garbage man coming. It's a beautiful day out here today. I don't know where the bird's gone now. I think I'm going to have to go in soon because I didn't bring any other yarn out. I'm doing the granny squares for the Persian tile now. I've started that. I've done my 24 Persian tile, and now I'll do the granny squares, and after that the triangles. So it's a big job, but someone's got to do it, I guess. there we go. We've got the little square. I need a hat soon, it's a bit hot. Okay, let's go in and get some more yarn. Okay, I got my new yarn. Let's get back to business. Back to business of listening to the birds. Looks like it's becoming cloudy. So I haven't got a computer, but I'm thinking about buying one. And I've been recording these YouTube clips on my telephone, and the films are coming up with the lines on the side, like it's all black on the both sides, and the film is in the middle. And somebody said it's because I'm recording on the phone. So, and they suggested that if I turn the phone sideways and record it that way, it should come up into the whole big picture screen. So now I'm trying that, and we'll see how that goes. When my daughter's got time, she's going to come with me, and we're going to buy a laptop. And yeah, hopefully I'll be able to, have a better quality video uploads, because I know it's very poor quality right now. With an old Samsung, you can't really do that much, but it's okay. It's okay for now. It's meant to be this way, because if it wasn't meant to be this way, it wouldn't be this way. So yeah, there's always two ways of looking at things. Just got to flow with it all. Looks like the clouds are coming over now. I mean, it is winter, so birds are back. I've been watching some of these slow living videos. It's so nice to see it, and it kind of calms you down and gives you some ideas how not to rush. And I think crochet is teaching you that as well. Well, I know it's teaching me. You definitely need patience for crochet. Oh yes, especially when you gotta frog things. I mean, I learned crochet when I was a little girl. My mom taught me, and I'm 73 now. And then I haven't crocheted for quite a while, for many years. And then I picked it up a little bit, then left it again, and now I've only just really recently picked it up again, before last Christmas. Yeah, and I've really got into it now, and I'm really loving it, because I think you need to have time. Well, no, you don't need to have time. But I've noticed that I watch TV, and if I don't crochet, it's almost like a waste of time. not the fastest crocheter, that's for sure. But that's okay. It's all in the process, it's all in the enjoyment, and then the end result is the cherry on the cake. Okay, I think I'm finished again. I need another color. So in we go again, but I think I'm going to stay inside now because the clouds are coming over.